Table tennis is a wonderful sport. It is suitable for all ages. There are so many benefits of this game. It improves eye and hand coordination, and it improves overall coordination also. Coordination among all parts of body. It improves balance. It also improves reflexes on your joints. It burns calories. And it is a very good treatment for dementia. टेबल टेनिस खेलने से हमारे रिफ्लेक्सेस भी बेटर हो जाते हैं। ये बहुत ही फास्ट गेम है, टेक्निकल गेम है। हर वक्त आपको अलर्ट रहना होता है, आपको माइंड पूरी तरह अप्लाई करना होता है और आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स का मूवमेंट पूरी तरह सिंक्रोनाइज्ड रहना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए ज़रूरी होता है कि रिफ्लेक्सेस आपके डेवलप होते जाएं और ये ऑटोमेटिक हो जाते हैं रिफ्लेक्सेस, और ये ओवरऑल लाइफ की हैप्पीनेस, लाइफ की स्टाइल, सब चीज़ पे इफ़ेक्ट डालता है। It helps to improve agility and mental alertness. Table tennis is very good treatment for dementia and Alzheimer because table tennis activates various parts of the brain at the same time and stimulates awareness in the brain. Playing table tennis burns calories. Do you hate to go to gyms? Then try table tennis instead. It is fun and easy. This sport is wonderful sport for burning calories and reducing weight. It is fast-paced sport that can be a great way to get into better shape. You might be surprised at just how many calories you can burn during single game of table tennis. Playing table tennis not only helps hand-eye coordination it improves overall coordination. You will constantly watch the ball and its path as it moves towards you. You require coordination to hit it. When you play regularly, you will improve your hand-eye coordination as well as overall coordination of all body parts. There is an enhanced bonding with the friends and with the persons with whom you play. This is a great way to build a relationship, and it's also a great way to bring young and old people together, eliminating generation. Table tennis is a perfect choice for the persons who have knee problem, who had knee surgery and history of back problems. The more you play table tennis, the better reflexes. This is fast-paced game and it helps improve big and small muscle movements. More you play, better your reflexes will be. Table tennis gives an opportunity to create bond with the players and with the persons who come to. Table tennis is therefore very important for social life and mental health. World is so connected through technology, people are not getting chance to interact with each other. So table tennis gives an opportunity to the persons to create bonds and to improve social life and social interaction. Table tennis keeps brain sharp. Renowned physician and psychiatrist and brain imaging expert Dr. Daniel Amen calls table tennis the world's best brain sport because it is highly aerobic, uses both upper and lower body. It is a great game for eye-hand coordination and improving reflexes. Table tennis also utilizes many areas of brain simultaneously, and you track the ball, plan shots and make strategies using those parts of the brain. It is a great way to build relationships, and it is also a great way to bring young and elders together. It reduces generation gap.